Hello everybody, you're welcome to my video today. My name is Asanwa Original -001. So as you can see, we are about to edit a picture that is not clear. We want to make it to be clear. So this picture is blurred, even though the picture is a beautiful picture. So our job now is to make it very clear and sharp as much as we can. So the first thing to do is open the app. What app did I open now? Open the app. Go to Face app. Open Face app. Go to the picture. Open it. Then scroll down to Adjustments. When you scroll down to Adjustments, first adjust the brightness of the picture. All this here, I'm doing it with my phone, so you can do all this picture editing with your phone. So I'll drag it to the right hand side. Drag it to the right hand side. Drag it to the right hand side. That's, I'm moving it towards my left. The picture has become bright. So I'll click on apply. I moved it towards my left to increase the brightness to 50 from 0. So I'll click on apply. Then I'll still go to the same adjustments. Click on it. Then move over to sharpen. You sharpen the picture. You make all the details of the picture visible. Almost all the details. So I'll still drag it to the left. So it's increasing the sharpness of the picture. Drag it to the left, it's increasing the sharpness of the picture. So you sharpen it to your taste. You sharpen the picture to your taste. You stop at any point that you're comfortable with. So you mustn't sharpen it to 100. So as you're sharpening it, you're looking at the picture and make sure that it's up to what you want. Immediately it's up to what you want, you stop. So from a dull picture to a very bright and sharp picture. That's what we have here. Thank you for listening. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you.